How to fix Facebook something went wrong problem. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix Facebook something went wrong error, firstly check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into your mobile data or turn on your airplane mode. Once you do so, now again switch into a better network connection, or you can rely on the airplane mode for a couple of seconds. Then once it is done, next step is to check out your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down until you see the option of apps and tap on it. Head over to all apps and tap on the search icon. In here, you can search for Facebook. Click on the 4-stop button and OK, then head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Once you do so, now your Facebook built-up cache or the glitch issue will be removed. Another thing that you can do is you can check for an update. In order to do so, check out your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon to search for Facebook. If you see any of the available update, make sure to do so. Following this process will help you to fix the error. That's it for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.